Banter fam. Okay, guys, yesterday we had CPI. They didn't kill us. Okay, the numbers came out a little bit okay and actually pretty good. And what that did is it actually started to get some short-term breaks on the alts. And what I'm seeing next, guys, is I think there's going to be a Bitcoin and altcoin move that's going to catch everyone off of guard. Now, this move might end up being fake and actually give us an opportunity to maybe offload a little bit of the portfolio if it is fake. But we also know on the high time frame, we also know that the big reversal is incoming. The stocks never lie. It's at the bottom. Market's ready for high time frame reversal. Okay, we are seeing that the percentages of shorts right now are outweighing the longs right now. It is very clear that there's a 20 to 30% short squeeze that's going to happen at any point. And yesterday was a very big day because were they going to destroy the market? Were they going to send Bitcoin to 73K? Right? Because the time is kind of running out for the bears. I know it's been hard out there, but they got to do it now. If they don't, the bulls are going to step in. And I want to show you guys one important line that will keep me bullish. Okay, keep me very bullish in this market and continue to be bullish. Okay, is this line over here on Bitcoin. The main support trend. Okay, all the way from the lows of Bitcoin at 20K. That line tells me Bitcoin is in a bull market. That line's broken, then it's over. And I want to show you the significance of that line. That's what the line looks like over here. So Bitcoin is still bull, okay? And the bears are running out of time. They know that this is the important phase here. And yesterday was an opportunity for CPI to maybe be bad and to send us down to 73. It did not. What ended up actually happening was a slow grind up, but we actually end up breaking a couple of trends on altcoins. And what you have now is you actually have altcoins sitting on the other trend, right? You actually have the altcoins getting ready to pop. Not only that, we actually have the dominance ready to come down too, okay? But the altcoins are ready to pop. So today I want to prepare you guys. Look at that. It's entry zone, okay? It's entry zone on alts. Again, I see a 20, 30% pump. There is a possible trap from this and actually giving us a little bit of an exit opportunity if so, okay? And actually giving us some short opportunities if so. But there's also the other side where we need to be careful that the bottoms are coming in. So today I want to prepare you guys on a couple of trades on Solana, on Cardano, on ETH. We have PPI coming out today. We have the jobless claims coming out. So let's fight day by day and let's get ready for the damn reversal. Let's go.
I try and help everyone in my space, and this is what I get. I try and fight the devils, but inside I'm just like 𝗧𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. Welcome to Sheldon Show.
Alright, Banter fam, if you branch channel, hit the subscribe button. Let's go. Okay, so big events that are happening today. Guys, remember to follow 𝗧𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 on Twitter. Okay, we're dropping these things every day. There's good information there. Okay, so jobless claims happening today. The way I understand it, I want this to be lower. I want less people to have less work, will not have work, right? So the forecast right now, previous was 221. This is actually saying that, hey, we're going to come in a little bit higher. Okay, which we will see how the markets react at that point. Okay, we would love something lower than the 226K. Okay, but the important one for me is PPI. PPI, we have the previous one of 3.5%. Okay, and we obviously want this to be better. The forecast is 3.3%. I think lower is better, right? Lower down is better versus to CPI. I know these events just give us a little bit of fuel, and that's all that we need right now. Okay, we need some fuel. We need some fuel to get the short squeezes going. We have a bit of a mismatch at this point where we have more shorters than longers in this market. Okay, so it just meant again that it's really got people in this point of we bear market now, bear market time, which is quite funny because the market's down 70% on altcoins, right? It's quite funny how it works that way. Now everyone. Okay, but on the other side of things, again, when everyone was bullish, right, then it was the other side, right? The longers were outweighing. So again, this market is at this point on the high time frame. We're ready for some damn reversals. We're ready to get things going here. Here's the weekly chart over here. This is the bull market trend line. Okay, and again, the Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 2021 levels. We're sitting back at the 62s. Okay, 62, 63% over here as well. We also know the RSIs are getting to the top point over here as well. Okay, so again, high time frame, we're at that point. So let's go through the move for today. I think there is a strong short squeeze incoming. Okay, I actually see PPI coming good. Let's see. Charts are saying things will be pretty good today. And basically saying, hey, from here, there is a squeeze. You see this top over here. After this, the tops are only up in this area over here. So there is a nice 20 to 30% squeeze. What we want to see on Bitcoin itself on the weekly is I would love to see Bitcoin start reclaiming this big red candle from last week. If somehow we can get to 95K this week, that's good. That's really good. Okay, to actually be back in the hundreds in the next 2 weeks. Okay, but the main thing here is for this candle to not go and make a fat red candle and stay red. That's what we don't want to see. It is at support now. You see all this on the left here? That is support. Okay, we hit the CME gap. That is closed now. Okay, I think the market is now ready to start moving in. So let's go over here. Yeah, altcoins are saying there's some opportunities. Here are your opportunities. Solana, that's the pop that I'm seeing. I'm seeing a pop from Solana to around 150 to 160. Okay, again, this was yesterday. What was important about yesterday was us to break some trend lines. And I want to show you guys the trend lines were broken. Broken out, retesting. Market is now ready for a nice little short squeeze pop. And what you could see here is you could see that we have these resistances, the lows. After that, the next one's all the way up here. So it's showing you the percentage move. And again, I think it's going to catch a lot of people off guard and get a lot of eyeballs back in. This is ETH at this point. And the token that I'm focusing on a couple of buys is Cardano. I'm seeing a pop to Cardano back to 90 to $1. Okay, guys, this for me, I'm pretty certain is getting ready to happen. If there's another little dip off, okay, again, I don't see much lower than where we are and we pop. But the important thing here is to know if this is going to be real or fake. Okay, if I don't see a massive amount of volume or really see a strong short squeeze, this is going to be an exit point. Okay, to possibly exit 1 or 2 positions and maybe even 1 or 2 shorts. And we're just going to play the market as it may be over there as well. But on a bunch of the alts over here, you're seeing that there is this short squeeze level, something like this. And if it doesn't work out, it will do that again. Okay, if it works out, what will happen is this flags and boom, gone. Right, so it's so important now, level for level, day by day, to be paying attention to what this market is seeing over here. I got Matt in the house here. Matty, let's bring you up here quickly, sir. Are you there? What are you seeing when it comes to liquidations? Let's see if I can add him in here. Let's see. Here, let's add you in over here. Why is it doing that? Let's see. Okay, we'll just be like that. Matt, can you hear me, sir? Just unmute yourself.
There we go.
Let's see. Can we hear you?
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, man, it's weird. Look at StreamYard. StreamYard's playing games here. It's fine. I got it. Okay, let's go like this. Matt, what are you seeing anything interesting on liquidation levels?
I am, mate. I sure am.
Interesting. I would love to see Bitcoin, a couple of liquidation levels, and for us to prepare. I think there's volatility, and I think it's a move that's going to catch a lot of people off guard today. And to be honest, it might be the move that marks the bottom, right? And we got to keep fighting for that thing. We've now known that big trend line on Bitcoin shows us we're in a bull market. Let's find the bottom. That is the mission right now. Catch the bottom. Okay, let's see if we can share up a screen there, sir.
All right, let's share my screen. We'll see how we go, hey?
Let's see how we go. Remember, guys, Maddie's been sorting and he's been focusing a lot on club this week and focusing on some shorting skills for you guys if this market wants to stay bearish for a while. Okay.
There we go.
Let's see if we see your screen. Let's pop us over here.
Cool.
Let's see if this is going to work. Okay, go for it, sir.
There we go. All right, so we're seeing like the next level up is that 84.5. So anywhere from actually 84.2 up to, let's say,
that's where I see the squeeze starting on the chart.
Yeah, exactly.
I'll bring this up here for a second and just show this here. Here, just bring mine up, bring mine up over here. There we go. So you guys can see here that the 84, that's where I see the squeeze starting. Okay, let's bring yours back up, sir.
Brilliant, mate. So yeah, this is the short side liquidations. Anyone that was shorting from that recent dip, so you're going to get that short squeeze to occur. That also then runs all the way up to that CME gap as well. So we've got that CME gap that was sitting there that ends at around that 86,000 as well. So that's going to cover. That's going to be good for short squeeze. Good to get the CME out the way. We can push on up from there. Next level up we've got here is around the high, sort of like low 87s. That's the next big level. So
interesting. I want to show you this over here. Interesting. So, Matt, just want to show you here. That is showing from here to 88 to 89. The chart is showing that is where
in that window in there,
matching up really nicely. Okay. Let's just remove my screen, get yours back up. Okay. Interesting over there as well. And do you agree right now we have a lot more shorters in the market possibly than longers, right? I think we have instituted a lot of people buying Bitcoin, but I think a lot of people are shorting right now. Any bounces?
Yeah, absolutely. The latest data shows it's now 48% long, 52% short. So it's a bit of it's actually getting closer. So the longers are starting to come back in. it's starting to resettle itself.
Okay,
So we'll see.
nice.
Yeah.
And it's crazy that that little 2 to 3% is billions of dollars.
Yeah, it's
It's insane. It's insane that it's not like just a little move. It's like it's insane. Thank you, sir. When is
All
your
right,
next stream on Club? When can people find you?
My next stream will be tomorrow morning doing a market update for the Asia Open.
Amazing. Thank you, sir. Much love. Okay, amazing, guys. So again, to clarify here, big move incoming. Let's jump back in over here. Bullish patterns are forming. Keep an eye on a breakout for Bitcoin over here. If we reject, a little bit of bad news. Bitcoin just to the low 80s again, and I see that bounce point happening over there. Prepare for a nice little short squeeze, which means a couple, if you wanted to trade today, this is the entries. Over here, stop loss over here, and take profits around 60% of this move. So again, you take your Fibonacci top to bottom, and at the 618.6 will be your TP points over there. But that is the trades. That's the opportunity. Solana looks good to me. Cardano looks good to me. And obviously links, Doges, XRPs, all of these tokens will all be doing the same. Much love to you all. See you all later. Again, if you want an account or you all join school, guys. School is super important. I want to show you guys over here again. Join Sniper School. Let's go here. Jump straight in here. There is Sniper School. It is free for you guys. And if you want to join a community Sniper Club, click on this over here as well. Remember, I did speak about the team. The teams are focused on educating you this week. Here is the calendar, the amount of streams that are happening this week on Sniper Club. Okay, so there's the information over there. School, and again, for school, all you have to do is open up exchange accounts. We have BTCC, which have great deposit bonuses at the moment and sign-up bonuses as well. And 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 over here as well. Bybit, BitGet, CoinW, and Blowfin. Much love, guys. See you all tomorrow. Have a fantastic day, and may the bulls return. Goodbye.